So I'll start by putting the anesthetic onto this area here. So we're doing a mental buccal infiltration into the lower second premolar. So I just turn your head around slightly. So it'll be for this tooth, and the point of entry of the anesthetic will be just in the sulcus area, just below the attached gingiva. So I'm going to prepare the anesthetic system now. So this is the anesthetic gun and nozzle that's used to deliver the anesthetic. And I'm going to use a cartridge of Septinest with 1/100,000 concentration adrenaline. And this is the syringe that comes with the system. And this is an adapter that goes on top of the anesthetic syringe. So this goes in, and the anesthetic cartridge is just pushed into place onto the needle. And what we're going to do is we're going to attach this delivery cartridge into the other end, like this. And it helps to withdraw slightly the plunger so that the anesthetic can be placed inside. Okay, we're going to be placing 0.5 mil of the Septinest into the sulcus, like this. Okay, and then we can withdraw the cartridge, and that cap goes back on. So what we need to do is just to test it to make sure that there's no air trapped inside it as far as possible. So we want to see the drop of anesthetic going and coming up like this. Okay. Now the nozzle has been activated, so that it's ready to place the anesthetic in. So this is screwed in securely and is ready to go.
We suffer from that.
So what we need to do is just to thread the plunger clockwise to extrude a little bit of liquid, so that we don't get air placed into the soft tissues. So we're just going to tighten it. You should see a little bit of liquid coming up. And there we are, just a little blob of it, and it's ready to go. So, okay. That's okay. Right, so ready. And there is another attachment that can be used as well. In this case, it's a very soft silicone nozzle. It goes on top of the existing cartridge. The idea of using that is that because the tip of this cartridge is going to be pushed quite firmly against the soft tissue, so it can get slightly uncomfortable, and being soft, this helps to cushion the discomfort. So what we do, okay, so you're going to feel just a sharp tapping sensation, okay, sort of almost like a flick onto the skin like that.
Right.
Okay, so you
That's
feel
normal, right?
That's normal, yeah. So don't worry too much if you get that. It won't be very much at all. Okay. So if you just turn your head around this way, okay. So this is the area I'm going to place the anesthetic onto. So what we do is just align it, angle it slightly downwards. Okay. And just press it reasonably firmly, but not too hard. Okay, you're just going to feel that tap, okay, coming now. Okay, well done. Okay, great. So following that, there's usually a little bit of bleeding from the entry point where the air has gone in. So just going to dab it, and that's it, and it should take effect in a few minutes or so. So the reason why it's without a needle is because it uses air, a very high air pressure, push the liquid into the area. Okay. It's the same thing as used for vaccinations nowadays. Increasingly it's needle-free. It's using the same air as delivery system. So this has been adapted. So it's the world's first system for doing that within the mouth. Let it take effect.
So how did you feel when you get injected?
Being so numb, yeah. But was that quite sore, or was it not too bad?
Just
a little jolt, yeah.
Just a tight feeling.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, when I actually pushed the plunger, when it went in, at that point, that for the split second, was it quite uncomfortable?
Well, I tried to warn me.
It is a bit of a shock, to feel that. But that's it. That's all you need. So there's no relative effect.